Just got to Galliano Inn near Golden Meadow, Louisiana for the Bayou Coast 2021 Minimalist Challenge Fishing Tournament. Got here a little early to set up and start grilling before the rain. These are the lures for the 2021 Minimalist Tournament. I'm going to start from left. First was the crawl with silly legs. Others had success with it, but I did not fish with it. Next is the curly tail grub, which would normally be my favorite lure all day, but I ended up losing it on an oyster reef at about 6:12 a.m. The next lure is the chartreuse shad power bait minnow. I paired this with the snap jig, which is the funny looking jig head to the top right, and has such jigging it slowly off the bottom. The next was my all-time favorite bait, the Pro Twitch Tail Minnow. I caught trout all day with it. I'm definitely going to buy some more of this bait. The last soft plastic was the Deal. It looked like a great bait for redfish, but the water was just so low I didn't have any luck with it. The last was the hard bait, the Hit Stick, which several people caught fish on. I fished with it too, but no luck unfortunately. Overall, I really liked all the baits this year, and I think a lot more people would have had success if it hadn't been raining with 30-mile-per-hour gusts. But let's go catch some fish. Congratulations to all the winners and those that qualified for the championship. Looking forward to the next tournament, Double Day Duel, on March 20th and 21st.